You know, ladies and gentlemen, blues lyrics, if you pay attention to blues lyrics, it deals with an everyday life. Show you what I'm talking about. There's a song I made called It Feels Like Rain.
Love it.
And it goes like this.
It's a song you made.
Down here, the river meets the sea. And in this slicker heat, I can feel you when you open up to me. Comes out nowhere, baby, just like a hurricane, and it feels like rain. And it feels like rain. Lying here underneath the stars, woo, Lord, right next to you. Come on in across the moon. Yeah. Come on in across the moon. And the wind out the rain, and it feels like rain. Yes, and it feels like rain. And it feels like rain. I like that. So one down the hatch, baby, and I want you to leave your troubles up your sleeve. Look like we're in some stormy weather, baby. There ain't no cause for us to leave. like a rain. Yeah. And it feels like rain. And it feels like rain. You know, I like it when you put the light out there. I want to see your face. You don't look at me enough. Yeah. Take the light off me. Yeah. Put that light out. Oh, these beautiful faces, man. Yeah. Man, every night I pray, I would like to say to you all, wouldn't it be great if everybody could smile and say, let's live and let's live. And try to think about everybody. You don't have to hurt nobody, ladies and gentlemen. Let's let them keep drinking what they're drinking and thinking what they're thinking. And you don't have to hurt them. Yeah. Yeah, I love to leave that night out there for a minute. I'm not through with you yet. Now I want you to repeat it right after they bring it down to the suffer, man. Because now read, I want the light on you because I want to find out who's fucking up this song. And it feels like rain. Let me hear you say it. And it feels like rain. Like rain. And it feels like rain. Thank you, that's a good one, but now wait a minute, now don't say it no more. Don't say it no more. I want you to say it like this. And it feels like the rain. Oh, you can say that shit. All right, okay. That's what I mean by blues. If you listen to blues, ladies and gentlemen, blues have some lyrics related to everyday life.